on coming back to me. It's hurting me, disturbing me. Thought it was a warning, looking for clues to see the truth, but it was just deceiving. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for lost in thought, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm wishing I was feeling.
Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Popping on really quick with another Cocotique unboxing. I'm sure you could tell based on the thumbnail. Yes, we are here for the April 2025 Cocotique Beauty unboxing. So, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. So I am here to unbox, or unbag rather, the April 2025 beauty box. There was some delays with getting my shipment. This is like the first time, and I've been with them since 2019, but there was some delays this time. But we're in the first couple of days of May, so we're still going to review the products that were received. So if you enjoy uplifting self-care motivation, then definitely blow dry on the like button, double tap the notification bell so that you are kept in the loop, and feel free to check out my Cocotique and Me playlist, which Nightbot is probably dropping and is always in the description box of all my videos. So Cocotique is a self-care and wellness company that is specifically curated for women of color. I first learned about Cocotique during the pandemic. I began ordering products from them then, and I am still a very satisfied customer as well as brand ambassador still to this day. Alright, so again, on this channel I talk about my love of hair as a former licensed cosmetologist, former beauty salon owner. I am a naturalista, however I still love a wig every now and again, okay? But even when wearing wigs, I still maintain the health of my natural hair. So I absolutely love Cocotique because it allows me the opportunity to try new products each and every month, all in the convenience and privacy of my home for a 1 month flat rate subscription price. So it is a subscription box service. They have an excellent rewards program called the Cocoa Hearts, and I'm going to jump right in with my favorite part of the unboxing, and that is reading what I like to refer to as the love note. Okay, so it reads as such: Cocotique ORS Olive Oil Braidzone Takeover Box, bold, beautiful, and braided. ORS, a trusted name in textured hair care, proudly introduces Braidzone, a protective styling collection crafted to nourish the scalp, ease irritation, and support healthy hair growth. Developed in partnership with Zaya Charles, owner of the Braided Salon in Brooklyn, New York, and a native of Trinidad and Tobago, this collection reflects her deep expertise in braiding hair extensions and protective styles. The braid-focused lineup features essentials like a lightweight soothing scalp oil, a calming fertilizing serum, a hydrating edge and braiding gel, a radiant finishing braid sheen spray, and a refreshing herbal cleanse dry shampoo, perfect for keeping your scalp balanced and your hair looking fresh between styles. Infused with powerful botanicals such as lavender oil, acai oil, botana oil, and biotin for hair and scalp nourishment. Experience the care crafted behind Braidzone, brought to you in collaboration with Zaya Charles. Hugs and kisses, Dana. That is Miss Dana Hill Robinson, founder and CEO of Cocotique. My favorite part, the love note. Now we'll get into the back as well in just a moment. That is where we're going to get the itemized breakdown and the contents of what we're receiving. And it'll also allow me to show you that you usually almost always get more than the retail value than the cost of the monthly beauty box subscription, which is $30.99 per month. Now you will get anything from hair care to skin care to feminine hygiene to fragrance to oral health care. It is just always something great in the boxes, okay? So on the back of the love note it says Cocotique is a deluxe subscription beauty box curated for women of color. We help you discover the best in beauty, self-care, wellness, and lifestyle products. We're all about reminding you to love yourself, embrace your magic, and prioritize your self-care. Don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like your products on social media. They include Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly known as Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Because again, you can share with the customizable referral link with your family and friends, and they can save 10% off their first box, as well as help you to earn free products. So it is truly a win-win. So we don't want this video to be too long. Let's go ahead and see what goodies they sent. Ooh, okay, as you can see, ooh, these are full-size products. Ooh, okay. Let's get everything out now. My hair is braided right now. Up under here. Okay, okay. Come through, come through. Alright, alright. And that is everything. And they always put their stuff in a nice, beautiful, reusable tote that is machine washable. Perfect for the areas where you may want to bring your own bags. So, we have got lavender oil, acai oil, and biotin infused braided sheen spray, full size. We got the Herbal Cleanse dry shampoo, lavender oil. Ooh, y'all, I can't wait. I get so excited every unboxing. And what is this? Ooh, this is a nice size container. No flyaway edge and braiding gel. Y'all, look at that. Oh my God. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Soothing scalp oil for daily nourishment. Yes, and then lastly, fertilizing serum. Okay, so this looks like it's got a dropper. So as you can see, those are all full-size products. So let's get into the back of the love note. So the dry shampoo is full size, 8 fluid ounces. It retails for $6.49. The scalp oil, the soothing scalp oil, is also full size, 4.3 fluid ounces. It retails for $6.29. We got the fertilizing serum. This is also full size, 2 fluid ounces. It says it's designed to protect and invigorate the scalp while the hair is in protective styles and braids. To deliver intense moisture, soothe dry, itchy scalp. Oh, I'm about to use some of that tonight. Prevents flakes and supports scalp health to promote optimal environment for hair to thrive. $8.99. Now this is a nice size right here, y'all. This is the olive oil Braidzone edge and braiding gel, non-greasy, taming braiding gel formulated to lay the hairline and tame flyaways for sleek and laid braided looks. This is the full size, 8 ounces, and it retails for $8.99. And lastly, we got the braid sheen spray. Okay, full size, 10 ounces. It is a lightweight moisture formula designed to strengthen the braids, to help with moisturizing your protective styles and adding a natural shine. It is 10 ounces and it retails for $5.99. All right, so all together we're at 14 plus 16, 17, 18 plus $6. We're well over our $30.99. My head can't compute it that fast, but y'all get the general idea. Y'all, is that not a good deal? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products for $30.99. Perfect for us natural hair divas. If y'all don't drop down and grab that link, grab my referral link and my referral code. Nightbot is dropping it in the chat right now. Save 10% off your first order. If you are not completely satisfied, go ahead and cancel. There is no obligation to stay. But I assure you, like I said, I've been with them since 2019 and I'm still here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video if you have not already, and share the video with someone else you think might enjoy the products. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Tell me why it has to miss my night.